My very damaged hair needed more than a quick fix, so I tested a serum that works while I sleep and before I style.
This is Redikin Acidic Bonding Concentrate 24/7 Night and Day Serum. At night, I apply it to my mid-lengths and ends on dry or damp hair. It's the first overnight bond repair treatment for very damaged hair, so I leave it in while I sleep. The next morning, my hair feels softer, smoother, and easier to manage. During the day, I use it before styling or as a finishing serum. It helps control frizz, makes my hair feel soft and strong, protects it from heat damage. So it's a continuous repair and conditioning through night and day. One simple step that works around my routine.
Comment repair and I'll send you the product link.